brain's natural cleaning system, enhanced to target Alzheimer's proteins, a new drug combination appears to safely and effectively boost the brain's waste disposal system, potentially delaying the onset of Alzheimer's disease by years. Researchers have identified a method to enhance the brain's glymphatic system, the network that clears metabolic waste using a sedative drug combined with a blood pressure regulator. The approach could offer a significant advantage over current antibody therapies, which have limited symptom impact and carry substantial side effects. The brain's waste disposal system, the brain doesn't simply accumulate waste. It has a dedicated cleaning system called the glymphatic system. This network of channels surrounding blood vessels pumps waste fluid to the lymphatic system for removal. This system is most efficient during deep sleep, when slow brain waves help flush out toxins, but its function declines with age and is severely impaired in Alzheimer's patients. Previous research in mice showed that dexmedetomidine, a common sedative, boosts these crucial brain waves, improving waste clearance and slowing cognitive decline. The new study aimed to test if this effect translated to humans. Human trial reveals enhanced protein clearance. Researchers at Applied Cognition recruited 19 adults, average age 60, and subjected them to 1 night of sleep deprivation. Participants then received either an infusion of dexmedetomidine combined with midodrine to counteract low blood pressure, or a placebo. Blood samples were analyzed before and after to measure protein levels. Results showed that the drug combination, ACX02, more effectively cleared misfolded amyloid and tau proteins hallmarks of Alzheimer's than the placebo. The team estimates that sustained use could delay disease onset by roughly 7 years. This is based on the levels of misfolded proteins typically seen in individuals who later develop Alzheimer's. How it works: boosting brain waves and fluid flow. ACX02 appears to work on multiple levels. Increased slow brain waves. It boosts slow brain waves during the transition from light to deep sleep. Enhanced fluid flow. It increases the flow of cerebrospinal fluid, speeding up waste removal. Stronger vessel pulsation. It causes blood vessels to dilate and constrict more vigorously, forcing waste along glymphatic channels. Unlike antibody therapies, which activate the brain's immune system and risk inflammation and bleeding, ACX02 works by directly enhancing the natural cleaning process. Implications and future research experts emphasize that previous attempts to clear misfolded proteins have yielded limited results. But this approach appears promising due to its safety profile and broader protein target. The drug combination clears both amyloid beta and tau, potentially leading to larger cognitive benefits. The team plans to verify this in trials with early-stage Alzheimer's patients. Beyond Alzheimer's, the glymphatic system enhancement could have implications for other neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's, where misfolded proteins also accumulate. Some researchers even suggest a potential pill form of dexmedetomidine for treating attention lapses caused by sleep deprivation. There's a huge need for new treatments. We know that the antibodies currently used for Alzheimer's disease are not really working, and they can cause severe side effects. Natalie Biscorner, German Center for Neurodegenerative Diseases. The findings suggest a new avenue for treating Alzheimer's by reinforcing the brain's natural defenses, rather than relying on aggressive, immune-stimulating therapies.